valuable name in the housing sector. A quaint, essential location with a signal-free entry makes it an ideal place for residential, commercial and investment purposes. The pioneer farm housing project of IBECHS in Islamabad, Gulberg Greens is a masterpiece project with brilliant architecture, lush green beauty with a serene and ultra-luxurious lifestyle. With gated community and innovative security systems, we offer state-of-the-art facilities such as wide carpeted roads, water supply and drainage, filtration plants, underground telecommunication, electricity, gas and horticulture infrastructure, along with transportation and terminal networks. Gulberg Greens is an effort to provide quality and eco-friendly housing society to the people who wants to enjoy a serene and pristine lifestyle. Gulberg Residencia is a residential society with a well-planned infrastructure, all essential facilities and latest amenities including central commercial market, Jame Masjid, water, underground electricity, waste management, telecom services and proper sewage system, etc. Gulberg Islamabad offers a unique lifestyle for everyone according to their needs and desires. Gulberg Greens offers farmhouses of 2,400, 3,000 and 6,000 square yards, whereas Gulberg Residencia offers residential plots of different sizes. The dedicated commercial blocks of Gulberg Greens include the Business Park, Business Square, Civic Center, offering corporate offices, business suites, malls, banks and other commercial projects. Renowned corporate offices like Telenor, Teradata and Y-Tribe are executing operations successfully from Gulberg Greens, whereas D Marcus is the central market of Gulberg Residencia. IBECHS believes in paramount education system with an aim to strengthen Pakistan's future as a well-educated nation. International standard schools like Future World School System and Frobels with the finest team of educationists are already providing quality education to their students. To facilitate our valued residents of Gulberg Greens and Gulberg Residencia, we have started ambulance service 24/7 days a week. Though Gulberg Islamabad is minutes of drive from all major hospitals of Islamabad. However, to facilitate our residents, soon advanced medical facilities will be available in Gulberg Islamabad with innovative technology, latest equipment, highly qualified doctors and efficient staff. Many national and international food chains have headed towards Gulberg Greens and are running successfully. Soon, all your favorite eateries will be a part of Gulberg Islamabad. Clubs with the best facilities such as world-class gym, swimming pool, cafes and a lot are under planning for both Gulberg Residencia and Gulberg Greens. Gulberg Greens and Gulberg Residencia have their own magnificently constructed Jame Masjids. Jame Masjid Nooria Gausia in Gulberg Greens is open for 5-time prayers, whereas Jame Masjid Amir Hamza in Gulberg Residencia is still under construction. Gulberg Islamabad pays special importance to the health and fitness of its residents. Almost 15% of land has been allocated for parks in Gulberg Greens and about 10% located in Gulberg Residencia. A multi-purpose sports complex is being developed for healthy activities, including tennis court, gymnasium, football ground and jogging track. Adding to the beauty of Gulberg Islamabad, Gulberg Lake will be a center of attraction for all long and several entertaining facilities at this beautiful site. In order to create this lake, a structure on Malal Cast downstream of bridge has been proposed and is under construction. The reservoir will provide 8 million gallons of water to Gulberg residents on a daily basis. Gulberg Islamabad has its own grid station of 132 kV that ensures uninterrupted power supply 24/7 to its residents and business owners. The electricity is provided by an underground network and has power transformers to regulate everything. All major roads and residential block streets have got bright pole lights that give the nightlife in Gulberg Islamabad a safe and as bright as a daylight experience. Natural gas infrastructure is an integral part of every housing society development, and we understand the utmost importance of it. IBECHS has already laid piping network in Gulberg Residencia and Gulberg Greens, Islamabad. IBECHS ensures a safe and peaceful environment for its residents with 24-hour security services through mobile patrolling and Gulberg Eye surveillance technology. Based on Safe City concept, Gulberg Eye project is implemented with the capability to integrate multiple state-of-the-art security, monitoring and data analytics solutions in a center command and control center operational on IBECHS owned fiber optic infrastructure. Keeping in mind the growing needs of the future population, IBECHS has planned the water resources accordingly. The master plan covers the Gulberg Greens Lake, Residential Lake, seepage collection and drilling of tube wells for groundwater abstraction. The construction of Gulberg Greens Dam has been physically started at the site. IBECHS believes on smart city concept and laid its own fiber optic infrastructure in Gulberg Greens and Residencia. Multiple telecom operators like PTCL, Optics and Y-Tribe are providing advanced triple play services in Gulberg Greens and Gulberg Residencia using IBECHS owned fiber optic infrastructure. Natural ecosystems as well as horticultural landscapes help to sustain and improve human health, and this is what we believe as a green society. Gulberg Greens is providing residents healthy lifestyle, having 80% green area with approximately 0.2 million pine trees and 0.1 million fruit trees, coloring residents' lifestyle with seasonal flowers. IBECHS is working day and night to provide its residents with an inspirational lifestyle, successful business opportunities, great entertainment and best facilities for its residents. The strategic location, outstanding infrastructure and lush beauty of this society has already gained attention of investors across Pakistan. Yet, there are a lot of inspiring prospects yet to be revealed. Mega Mall, Green World Tower, Gateway, 10 and 12 are upcoming projects.